Hello guys, we are back with another lead code challenge. Let's see the today's challenge and try to solve that challenge. The today's challenge is linked list cycle and it's fall into the category of easy and it's a highly like. So it's a must do question if you're preparing for your interview. So let's deep dive into the question. So you have a given head, the head of the linked list, and you have to determine if the linked list has cycle in it or not. So what is actually cycle means? There is a cycle in a linked list if there is some node in the list that can be reached again by continuously following the next pointer. Internally, pose is used to denote the index of the node that till next pointer is to connect it, and note that pose is not passed as a parameter. Uh, it doesn't mean what's your duty. You have to just you have given this linked list, given any linked list, and you have to find out uh, is it present cycle or not. If it's present cycle, you are going to return true, otherwise you are going to return false in that case. So what's your let's understand a little bit more with the using example one. So we have given this linked list and we have to find out is it present cycle or not. If you see here, yeah, there is a cycle is present, so in that case you are going to return true, but you don't know about because you have given this linked list. So by linked list you have to just find try to find out how can we find out the uh, we can find out easily. So how can we find out? uh, we can find out by using a technique that's called here and turtle algorithm. In that algorithm, we make two pointers. One is moving, one have this row speed and another one have a high speed. What actually mean? In a one step, one person can travel only one step, but fast pointer at a one time it travel two steps. It takes two steps, and if it present any cycle, it might be possible the both pointer pointing the same node or same element at a certain point of time. If that was a true, if that pointing same node, in that case this is the case when cycle is present. Otherwise, if it never uh, if it never reaches to the if it never reaches to the same node, in that case cycle is not present. So let me just write the code, then you understand what I'm actually trying to explain. So what I'm going to do, I'll make a two pointer. Let's one pointer name is slow and it's initially pointing the head. Another one is also another one is fast. Initially it's also pointing the head. And what's my duty? I have to check it out until my fast is null, not none. Let me write this code until my fast not equal to null and my fast next is not equal to null. I have to do some computation. What the computation actually? I have to move my fast pointer. It's going to take two steps at a time. So I enhance by two steps and my slow pointer enhance by only one step. So that's my motto. If whenever in the life this slow is equal to fast, what does actually mean? It means I reaches, yeah, cycle is present in that case, because without any cycle, if cycle is not present, it not chance to reaches to the same node. Let's say initially my slow and fast is here. My slow is taking one step but my fast taking two step and come to the zero. Again My slow is here, my slow take one step, and my fast is also here, so my fast take two step, one and one, one and two. Now my slow is here, my slow take one step, and my fast pointer take two step, it also reaches to -4. Both are pointing the same node. It means, yeah, there is a cycle present. So in that case I'm going to return 1. If not the case, my fast reaches to the null or my fastness reaches to null, it actually shows there's no any cycle. That's why I'll reaches to the null. Otherwise, if I can't reaches to the null, it means there's cycle is present. If I reaches to the null, it means cycle is not present. So let's run this code, guys, and it's accepted. Let's submit this code, guys, and it's accepted. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Until then, keep grinding, guys, and thank you for watching. I hope you are watching. We will meet again in next video. Until then, enjoy your life, bro.